You can use this practice as a preparation for any meditation. Starting in a comfortable seat, you can take some gentle neck rolls, shoulder shrugs. You'll be rounding your spine and straightening up your back for a few rounds. Any organic movement. And on your inhale, stretch both arms up high towards the sky, and exhale, fold forward. Pause here for a moment, showing gratitude to the ground for which all our seeds of desires are firmly planted and destined to grow. You'll lift your head to your Sphinx pose, forearms firmly grounded, and slowly roll up your spine one vertebrae at a time until you're back to your seat. On your inhale, arms stretch back up high towards the sky again, and exhale, twist right, turning to look over your right shoulder. As you inhale, come back to center. Exhale, release your arms to the left. And we'll flow back and forth like this. Inhale to lift up. Exhale to twist to your opposite side. Perhaps each time you twist, each inhale is a bit deeper and each exhale is a bit longer. And take your final twist, making sure you even out on both sides. And feel free to slide right into your meditation practice. Ashe.